What's up guys, I don't know, so I'm outside in the heart of Negril. So I sit down right now, so I go and chill. And in the meantime I want to big up some nice and clean people where I continue to watch my channel and I comment and always I do the right thing. You understand? Pauline more, you big up yourself too, you know, and Jacqueline Brown, Chrissy the doctor. Right there somewhere, you big up yourself, Andrew Vibes. There are so many of you guys, and I think it's Deborah. Yeah, big up on yourself guys. You're doing a wonderful job. Everything I want to do, me see it. If you don't comment, me see it. Yeah, and for all our person them will share up the content, them continue for doing so. So have a blessed day. You don't know, it's actually sharing. I'm there, I'm going to go and chill out. You know what I mean? Peace out. Yeah, so we are Negril West End. We are West End Negril. Down here you find a lot of tourists.
Oh, when say knock me out.
Have a nice drink.
Yeah.
I'm drinking Fever. Eh? Right there, sir. You say, one out of the girl there up on the
Yeah, don't shoot some hide. Don't shoot my last time drink some hide.
Brother, look for the girl.
Go up on one road, go fool on one girl.
That's true, you know, dog.
I not remember which part.
Fool on you.
You man know the
Where
girl
say
and
go
go to
show the
business
girl?
and them. Have a show
Show girl, be
Don't
yourself.
put
I
your
want
finger
to do it,
in
man, do
that
it.
for that tell
Love me
already.
half man.
Oh, I think I see this.
No sir. Love me half man.
Oh.
Get a number I'm out sitting. Shot like razor in a man.
I said to me, your body, you're not supposed to do.
So me a fry fish. Me a Fallan a cook.
Look at the season, show it.
Yeah. See, Fallan cut up his season then.
I'm sure the season.
Room. We are big chef, you know. Don't nobody feel like so we are. Yeah, but me come here, yeah, cook. See, and the fish them season. Me season up the fish them. I am cooking. You remember, say me a big chef. Here, me go check for the fish them now, because by now they're supposed to nearly burn up. So, I'm going to stay right here, so. Meanwhile, I'm look for the fish them. Where's my Oh God, the fish them. Oh my God. Fallan, when you say go to the fish, you gonna cook down?
Yeah.
Oh, so me not to eat down big fry, Fallan. Them brown out. That's second turn. Second turn.
Where's the body side?
Because we have more to try. Yeah, one container of course. Because we have more to try. No matter if they go for one and then go for plate, but they go back in a pot. So, first piece of fish come out and little this piece. Because it's most likely to fry. And then next size to it. Me a cook one whole for people, white people and black people, Indian people and Chinese how they do. I mean I'm not rush. I know cook. So I'm cooking the food. And the cooking for people.
Some big bread.
Some no Chinese how they follow no.
Some big bread, eh?
Yeah, touch it back and it come on.
This one?
It's on our back screen. Yeah, see come on now. Side. No, man, you're not getting none of that when that's flying and then feed that to me. I see chef to test that. I'm gonna look funny. I'm not seeing on the end of the no more video.
Let me take out that water.
Me see it, but I think I feel like me
No,
that.
just go so. I be a meat this, you know?
Me know I mean, I see me it season.
Just squeeze, you squeeze it then.
Season it.
Squeeze it together. So.
And put it on in straight knife pot and make it iron keep it together. Put it on straight knife pot and make it iron keep it together.
That's me, that's in there now.
I just try. Come get a down to a pot. Go for your son and dash it.
You want to burn me now?
Go for and son and dash it in that pot.
This is possible for me, I'm going to be like
Finish that. So I'm drink here.
you think you want me far?
No. Cooking with carrot, cooking with chili. That big piece here of mine, you know, so I won't follow. No, I know this is another piece there. Hold on, can I get a piece there? It's a piece of mine. I not fry out the fish too dry, because Fallan said, go cook on the fish. Yeah. That little piece of wine I put in the bucket of me. Fallan, please don't fry it. And Fallan, still have to look at the piece of fish. Because you go one piece It's holy heat. Sure. Take a break from the cooking inside. I think I go and simmer down, you know. And outside I eat nuts. In the pool area. Yeah?
The first time she asked me, she grabbed me in my face.
Oh,
Yeah.
she didn't know you yet.
Yeah.
So this is the pool, guys. So this is where I'm at chilling right now. We ready to take a swim? Ready to take a swim. Alright, just me I'm gonna relax now and talk to you. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Then type of life, yeah? Me feel live.
Near backyard?
What me just say?
No.
Oh! And then type of life me I live. Cause I'm living it.
Right.
Don't it, Nick? Squaddy. Big up yourself, yeah?
Hey, sir, fire fast, you know.
Say big up.
Run, man. Yeah, man, we're there outside active. Look good, no, man.
With them I suffer, yeah,
You not believe me, ask God, man. Look for me, I them.
Ow.
Is it?
Okay. With them I suffer, yeah, sir.
Run, sir.
Wow. Nice, see? How you feeling? You feel alright? Don't go in the water.
Yeah, man, outside with them, man.
Come
Active, man.
Here.
Nah, man, never tell a lie. Yeah. What? Come here. No water, no water. Come. Go back in and swing song, come. Safi. Right now.
Active. Rain a come, so I'm gonna go get the boat and go over by that side.
What's up for you behind the shirt?
What?
Now put it back in the water.
What's in the water? Wow.
What?
No. Mine a drop in the pool.
Don't go there, you will drop in there.
I see you in the same frame.
Me not go to the camera and spark thing with him around the pool car. Me not know where he go slip and drop in there.
I'm coming.
Sapphire, stop that. Me not in that part there.
What is? I have my cup to drink.
Who can tell me what mermaids smoke? Can somebody tell me?
Look different part of your phone when I'm machine. Come in and see water on it.
No glasses. Yeah, allowed in the pool, eh?
You don't see water.
You not see water?
No.
Oh, yeah, see straight down in there. I see pattern and everything. Yeah.
Yeah. Come on, never say you should. Come on, you buy a big piece of land. That's you. Only active people. Out here, man, is it? Just have to enjoy my life. Because when we have dumb people, yeah, man, be good, don't be no evil.
I'm gonna miss you. I can't lie. Woo. Do 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 do. Just living the life. Yeah. From a little cottage in the grill. That's where I'm at. From a little cottage in the grill. Bop. So fire. Hi. Fire. You wanna swing? You wanna swinger? You wanna swing in my swinger? Come up here, sir. Come up here. Come up. Ooh. Want to dance somewhere? I fall on the cup. I did.
Mommy!
Oh, why did you do that? Come on, don't come. Stop there. Come, mine a drop out. Come.
Here. I don't.
Come on, put your out.
Don't.
Oh, Jesus. This little pitty one when we get a 5 minutes. God. So for you want to make cake and pussy. Oh. Come on, your mother know ya. I'm gonna put it on. Stand by, okay, every time you do something. Wait. Tell them hi. Look.
Hi.
Tell them say you're not baby. Come back. Thank you for the army. Jesus Christ. Don't go around this. Hey, catch him. Watch that. Stop picking. Bring them home.
Yeah, because you know why you say it's green? Because it's the lime.
Oh, my hitbox. No.
Yeah. But the lime green.
Hey, girl.
Yellow.
Mom, I can pick them control. I mean, I said, tell you come here. Gotcha. So for you can fall. Yeah, nigga. Besides, a little white skin people there.
Alright, so this is the line. Stay like how you feel.
What go buy it back? Alright. And it's when they fix them. I see a thing. They cost one whole difference. Oh. See like come on. So you can't turn on unless you turn on that.
I mean, I'm following on me. TV there. Otherwise different. Yeah, me I relax.
You think about you, McDonald's? You see now.
Oh, yes, more people before me before.
I see now. Oh, we see it's not sweet.
Oh, backside, me remember now. I remember some more people, man. Oh, wow, boss. Where are you now, boss? Now, Fallan the chill out, now Fallan on me. One of soon, I know what you're doing, but not too long. Hold this, can't give me come back on me.
Ganja choking. Ash right my bone. Turn up your throat.
That's how a mad accident got on in
The car if you cover in the church.